Dear students, in this module, we are going to discuss the taboos in Pakistani society. Taboo का मतलब ये है कि ऐसी एक्टिविटी या ऐसा अमल जिसके ऊपर मुआशरा जो है वो बड़ी सख्ती से रद्द अमल का इजहार करता है, हत्ता कि इसको डिस्कस करना भी बहुत मायूब समझा जाता है। और पाकिस्तानी मुआशरे में कुछ ऐसे बिहेवियर्स हैं, कुछ ऐसे एस्पेक्ट्स हैं जिनके हवाले से मुआशरा जो है वो बड़ी सख्ती से रिएक्ट करता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, homosexuality. Being homosexual or being attracted to the same sex is considered a natural or normal choice in the West, which is not the case in Pakistan. Pakistan being predominantly a religious and Islamic society vehemently opposes the idea of homosexuality. Similarly, having sexual intercourse out of wedlock or the dating culture is, or going out with whom you are romantically or sexually attracted to, is also considered taboo in Pakistani society. And then challenging the Islamic beliefs, especially on the prophethood and on the sacred religious text, is considered blasphemous and often being vehemently opposed and being vehemently reacted by the members of Pakistani society. And also the alcohol being a prohibited beverage is considered or often considered a taboo to be available or to be permissible for the members of Pakistani society. Similarly, opening the casinos or permitting or allowing such activities is considered harmful for the society and thus being strongly opposed by the members of Pakistani society.